So here is Yik Yak app. It was launched back in 2013 or 2012, but now it is relaunched, and as you can see, it's in the top charts in social networking. It's above Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, which is pretty crazy. And yeah, it's among top 100 charts in top 100 apps in US App Store. The idea is super simple, that you can just anonymously connect within everyone in radius 5 miles. So it's like an open anonymous forum. So you can just post all these different yaks or posts, and then everyone in radius of 5 miles will see them and comment. So, and this app is completely anonymous. So nobody knows your identity actually. All you need to get started is just a US phone number. So I think this app only works in the United States. It's not possible to use it in Canada, England, or Australia, or Europe, or whatever. So you just post a message and it's visible to all the people in that radius. And then on the hot feed, these messages are ranked, so you can see all the top posts and activities in your neighborhood. Let's just open it up. So I created an account. You just need to use your US phone number, and then you just need to give access to your location. So that's how it works. And that's though the process of creation an account. Super simple, super smooth. This is how it looks like. You can see new yaks and you can see hot yaks. In my area, there is no many yaks. As an example, I can show you, if you want to see top charts, you can just tap on the menu in the bottom right, and then you can see like top yaks in United States. So this is how it looks like. This is kind of the forum. So yeah, and then you can just upvote here. You can tap on 3 dots, you can share. If you don't like it, you can report a blocked user from here. But basically you just go here and it's like an open forum, and you can see top discussions and all of that. As you can see, this app is anonymous. There is no profile picture, there is no full name, email address, or phone number revealed here. Even though you register with a phone number, you can't see it here. So if you it's not possible to click on account or go to profile. It just reveals the estimate location. So that's that. And this is how it looks like. If you want to share the yak, you can just tap share and then it will be shared. So for example, let's just share this one. It will be shared just like an image. I can send it. And then there it is. So that's how it works. And then you can just comment here. So that's how you post a comment. And now I have my comment here. Again, if I'm not happy, I can just tap on 3 dots and then delete the comment. Then if I can just upvote or downvote something. So super simple. Again, also I can downvote or upvote the yak itself. Yak, it means a post. So that's how it works. But in my case, if in your area there are not many yaks, you will see something like this. It probably in some big cities like New York or whatever, Los Angeles, you will see like hundreds of yaks. But some other smaller cities, small rural areas, maybe there aren't that many discussions. So you can always go to top yaks or nationwide hot yaks. Then you can also, of course, see all your notifications. You can see your yaks. If you're not happy, you can always delete your yak. If you think you did a mistake, the same with comments. Then there are some stay safe resources. mental health resources, and then there are more options. So here it's an interesting option to reset comment icon. It means basically, as you have seen, this is my comment icon. When I post a comment, instead of profile picture, I just have some random emoji. So if you're not happy with that, now my emoji is different. So that's that. Buster is means that it's hiding some inappropriate language from use in Yaks and comments. So I can just turn it on. And then, yeah, you can also block people just by tapping on 3 dots in Yik Yak. If at some point you did that and you want to unblock here, you can just unblock everyone. And also from here, you can just delete your account. So just tap delete data, and it's possible to delete your data. It says delete data, but I think it's the same as deleting your account in Yik Yak. If you select this option, all of your progress on Yik Yak will be deleted, and you will be sent back to the home screen to verify a phone number. This option deletes your karma score and information linked to your activity. But your posts, yaks, and comments are not linked to your identity and won't be deleted. So there you have it. Even if you delete your account, your yaks won't be deleted. You can also just log out from Yik Yak, just exit. Because there is no no kind of identity here, it's not possible to add friends or to follow someone or stuff like that. And then, yeah, you will see your heart, your map. You're just in the Apple map. There is just quick overview, like explainer. So your heart is all the people inside a 5-mile radius in your current location, your local community. You can upvote, downvote yaks from your heart. New feed shows, the hot feed shows that yaks from 24 hours. Local top yaks feed, all-time yaks. So that's that. That's a quick explanation. And then in top right, you also have something like Yak Karma. And other points you are awarded for engaging on Yik Yak. You get Yak Karma for Yak in commenting, receiving upvotes. And then you can also just share your Yak Karma to brag with your friends. So something like this, and then you can just share it like that. And then that's you will see that, hey, this is my Yak Karma. Like something like this. This is my Yak Karma, the Yak is back. And yeah, so that's the idea. What else? To post a new Yak, you just go in the bottom right and then just write the Yak. You can see that the Yak is this kind of post, and then there are also all these community guidelines. However, your Yak is anonymous, but you need to follow them because some people can either block or report you. And then you can just tap ready to send and notice that there is 200 character limit. So just tap ready to send and then swipe up to Yak. So there you have it, Yak sent. And now it appears in my feed in the new tab. Or if you get a lot of upvotes, it will appear in the hot tab. So this app is basically like location-based Reddit. So in case of Reddit, the topics are organized in subreddits based on like categories or some niche. Here it just looks pretty much as on old school Reddit, but just organized around the location of your herd. And then, yeah, you will see notifications. You can disable the notifications, I think. Probably just in the settings app. I'm not sure also if there is like a premium version or something else where you need to upgrade or subscribe. I think it's not possible to do here. It's just like a old school app going back to life. So that's that basically. So just browse around, have fun. Really cool app just to really have fun. Just to browse it around. So yeah, I guess that's that. If you know any additional tips or cool tricks with this app, just leave it in the comments below. Just also leave why you're using this app, why it's still interesting for you and stuff like that. Please subscribe to my channel or at least like this video so more people can discover this cool app. You can also visit my website mrhack.io and check out my podcast. So thanks for watching, guys. See you around.